1 minute said Intel close using regression model to analyze there are scatter diagram lines combined nonlinear model curve linear model. 1 straight line analysis, the result is a downward trend, blue is the closed value, red is estimated value, yellow is upper limit and lower limit of 95% predicted interval. Nonlinear line model analysis, the result is a downward trend. Curve linear model analysis, the result is a downward trend, lines combined which last line is the upward situation. Line 30 is the last line, the coefficient of determination is 0.497601, which can be the predicted equation. Those predicted values could be referred. Comparison table of predicted and actual values, October 24, 2022 to October 28, 2022. The relative errors are very small. This predicted method is to obtain efficient and accurate estimation equation and estimated value.